Welcome to Umsebenzi Podcast. Today we are going to go through Microsoft Teams. Colleagues, I know if you are new to this world of Microsoft Teams and everything seems to be intimidating for you. But today we've decided to give you some grace and teach you how to operate if you're new to Microsoft Teams, because our work is what we do. So we just want life to be easy for you. This channel is an extension of my personality and capabilities. This is what I would do. So colleagues and family, please check this video if you're new to Microsoft Teams and you don't know how to. You go here, assuming that you've already launched the app. So you go to this section, your profile. That's where you check your personal information, your email, if it's your profile. As you can see, I can set the status message, like I can choose to write anything, for this training so that people can see that I'm busy. I'll just simply set it as an away message and say I'm on the meeting for an hour at least. Say done. Right. As you can see, it says that I'm busy in a meeting until 57 minutes past 10. So, okay, sorry about that. Maybe later. Let me close this. Okay, let me select school. Right. Okay. Just creating a community for us, guys. We'll come back to that. This is where you'd find it. You click your calendar. You see there are three options. It's join with an ID, you meet now if it's an urgent meeting, and new meeting. Please make sure new meeting. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a meeting. You type the title, whichever title, as long as it looks professional. So I'm going to say meeting with a CEO, and then Umsebenzi Podcast. Okay, no. Let me write it in the proper way. Umsebenzi Podcast 2024 @gmail.com, for instance. Okay, as you can see, if it's a correct email, it will show that. And very important, the date and time. Very important. It's very crucial for you to know that you've got the correct time and the correct date. You go there, the start and finish time. Or if it's an all-day thingy, if you're booking for a venue and you want people to see the venue that you've if you want to select the venue, if you've got the venue, okay, the location, it's Microsoft Teams. If it's an online meeting, this is what you put, Microsoft Teams. If it's a physical meeting, you write the boardroom name. So this is what I would type here, colleagues. I trust that I find you well. Okay, kind regards. No, kindly join us for a meeting. Kindly join us for our first meeting with the CEO. Kindly join us for our meeting, okay, with the CEO. Okay, please find whatever that you do. This is still like your email, right? If you're used to sending invites using emails, except for the fact that here you have to leave the link and the meeting ID, paste it below there. Okay, kind regards. This is just for an example. Okay, you check everything. If the details, time, date, and the location, they're intact. If you want to CC people, you can copy them on an email. They'll write their emails there. They'll get a copy of this invite. You click send here and you wait. So this is what it would pop up. So it shows who created the meeting. Here's the link there. You say copy, and voila, someone would just launch it like that by clicking there. So for you to confirm, you have to go back to your calendar and you'll see it there. It's right there. If a person is joining using a meeting ID, okay, they can simply copy and paste that link, and it will take them there. So this is a part where you, before a meeting starts, this is where you would see it. So it says that my camera is turned off. Okay, I want to select filters. Okay, voila. As you can see, guys, right. Let me close the camera. My aim, you're already in a meeting, now you're waiting for people, you can turn off your camera. Make sure that first things first, your microphone is muted and your camera, it's not showing you, because probably you are still at home, and as we know, the etiquette is different. You don't have to dress like you are in the office, except if your meeting will require you to switch on your camera. I'll suggest that you keep the colleagues, thank you for joining this session. Thank you for your interest in our videos. Now, today you've learned how to operate Microsoft Teams. This course was for beginners. At this stage, you are able to know how to operate it. If you have questions or concerns or ideas, please drop it on our comment section. This training is for you guys. It's for our growth as professionals, and thank you. We're gonna try and make more videos so that you can grow as an individual while this channel grows to our life. Thank you so much for joining this training. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.